We work every year to get this message out, but unfortunately, we have to continue that each year. It's not that people are necessarily careless, it's that they just don't know. They don't understand that even if that bird may appear to be thawed out on the outside, there may still be some frozen parts of it in the center, that we do not overfill the cooking pot. When you go to immerse your bird in that oil, that you do it very slow and allow that oil time to boil without boiling over and overflowing the pot. We want to make the demonstration enjoyable. We want to get the ooh-ah factor, but this is real. This is exactly what happens when this occurs. Be safe, have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and God bless.